Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Build Your English podcast. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Good morning. I'm here. I'm just starting in slow mode.
He's a slow starter, but don't worry, he becomes a normal human after coffee. So today we're talking about something very real, my morning coffee. Not fancy, not complicated, just the simple way we start the day.
Yes, coffee is my morning hero. Without coffee, I'm just a blanket with feelings.
A blanket with feelings is wild. Okay, let's start at the beginning. Leo, what time do you usually wake up?
Usually 7:30, but wake up is a strong word. My eyes open at 7:30, but my soul stays in bed. I look at the phone, I look at the time, and I think, 2 more minutes. It is never 2 minutes. It becomes 10 minutes, sometimes 15. My bed is very convincing. My bed should work in sales.
Your bed is a great salesman. I wake up around 6:30. I like quiet mornings. I like the first hour of the day, before messages, before noise. It feels like the world is still soft.
What? 6:30 feels illegal. At 6:30, I am dreaming. In my dream, I'm productive, I drink water, I stretch. I'm basically a motivational speaker. Then I wake up and I'm just Leo.
A motivational speaker in your dream is hilarious. How do you feel when you wake up? Happy, tired, calm?
Sleepy, slow, quiet, and a little confused. Like my brain is asking, why are we doing this? If someone talks to me at 7:31, I will cry, but politely.
Politely. Noted. I will not talk to you at 7:31. I feel calm in the morning. Sometimes I feel tired too, but calm is normal for me. I sit up, I take a deep breath, and I start slow. I like a gentle start.
I also start slow. I open one eye, then the other eye. Then I search for my phone like it's a treasure. My hand goes under the pillow like, where are you? And the phone is right there. Then I feel proud, like I found gold. In reality, I found stress.
You found stress. Do you check your phone right away?
Yes, it's not good, but it happens. I check the time, I check messages, and then I do a very dangerous thing. I scroll. Just 1 second. 1 second becomes 5 minutes. Then I feel stressed. Then I say, okay, stop. Like I'm talking to a small, naughty child.
I try not to do that. I like silence first. I like to wake up slowly with my own thoughts. Sometimes I just sit for 10 seconds and breathe. Small thing, but it helps.
You are very disciplined. In the morning, I am not disciplined. In the morning, I am a soft animal, like a sleepy cat. A cat that needs coffee.
A coffee cat. Do you drink water first?
Sometimes. But my real first drink is coffee. Coffee makes me human. Before coffee, I'm a pillow. After coffee, I'm a person. A person with opinions. And jokes.
Great, we need the jokes. I drink water first. I like the fresh feeling. Then I go to the bathroom.
Bathroom routine is simple. Brush teeth, wash face, look in the mirror, and I say, hello, stranger. Because my face in the morning is not my face. It's like a free trial version of me.
A free trial version is perfect. Some mornings I look tired too, but washing the face helps. It feels like a restart button.
Yes, not a full restart, more like a small restart. Like the phone at 10% battery, low power mode.
Exactly. I wash my face with cold water. I like cold water. It wakes me up.
Cold water is evil. Cold water is a surprise attack. I use warm water. Warm water feels safe. Cold water feels like the universe is mad at me personally.
The universe is not mad. It's just water. But okay, warm water for you. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, quick shower. Not a long shower, just quick. It helps me wake up. And it helps my hair. My hair is crazy in the morning. My hair has its own plans. Honestly, my hair wakes up before me.
Hair is an early bird. Some mornings I shower, some mornings I don't. But I always brush my hair. And I put face cream. Small things make me feel ready.
You are organized. In the morning, I lose things. I lose my keys, I lose my charger, I lose my thoughts. One time, I looked for my phone, and my phone was in my hand. I said, "Where is my phone?" while holding it, like a magician with no magic.
Morning Leo is iconic. I do that with my keys. I search everywhere, and the keys are in my pocket. Morning brain is funny.
Morning brain is not smart brain. Morning brain needs coffee. And after coffee, brain becomes okay. Not genius, just okay. Like basic package.
Okay is enough. Because mornings don't need perfect. Mornings need simple. So, coffee. Tell me your routine, step by step.
Okay, step by step. First, I go to the kitchen. I open the cabinet. I take my favorite mug. It's blue. It's big. It feels good in my hands. I like heavy mugs. Light mugs feel weak. Then I use a coffee maker. I put water. I put coffee. I press the button. And then I wait. I don't like waiting, but I wait for coffee. Coffee is worth it.
I love how serious you sound, like it's a ceremony. While you wait, what do? Do you stand there and watch it like it's a movie?
Yes, I stand there like I'm watching the world's best show. Coffee Season 1. Sometimes I check the time. Sometimes I stare at the wall. Sometimes I think about my day and I regret everything.
Morning regret is real. Okay, coffee is ready. First sip. How is it?
The first sip is the best sip. It feels like my brain turns on, like a light in my head, like, welcome back, Leo.
That's dramatic. Do you drink it black or with milk?
With milk, always. Black coffee is too strong. Black coffee is like a punch. I want a hug, so I add milk. And a little sugar.
A little. Sure.
Okay, some sugar. Sweet coffee feels friendly.
I get that. I do milk sometimes too. But my coffee is slower. I boil water and I pour it slowly. I like the smell. I like the sound. It feels calm.
That's very you. Your coffee says, "Good morning, take your time." My coffee says, "Wake up, let's go."
Exactly. And where do you drink it?
Sofa. Always sofa. I sit like a tired king. I hold the mug with both hands and I look outside for a minute. Street, sky, people walking. It's nice. Then my brain remembers work and the peace disappears. Like, poof.
Work is rude. I sit at the table. I like a clean table. I like quiet. Sometimes I open the window a little. Fresh air helps. I just want a soft start.
Fresh air is good, but my street is noisy. So I keep the window closed. And I keep my coffee close. Coffee protects me from the world.
Coffee as a bodyguard. I love that. Do you eat something with your coffee?
Yes, toast. Toast with butter, sometimes cheese. Or a banana. If I eat heavy food, I feel slow, so I keep it light.
Same. Toast, eggs, fruit, simple. I don't want a big breakfast, just enough. And I like to eat slowly, not in a rush.
I try to eat slowly, but sometimes I look at the time and I panic. Then I eat fast, and it's not nice. It's like a speed eating contest, and I'm losing.
Speed eating contest is accurate. Okay, do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes. Soft music, nothing loud. My ears are sleeping too. Sometimes I listen to nothing, just coffee sounds. Pour, sip, breathe. And sometimes I talk to my coffee like it's my therapist.
You talk to your coffee?
Yes. I look at the mug and I say, "Help me." And the coffee says nothing, but it helps. Best therapist.
Best therapist. How do you feel after coffee?
Better. I feel awake. I feel ready. Not 100% ready, maybe 70%. But 70% is a win. 70% is enough to put on shoes and leave the house without drama.
70% is a win. After coffee, I feel warm inside. I feel steady, like, okay, I can do this day.
Exactly. Mornings don't need perfect. They need a start. And coffee helps us start.
Okay, now, sometimes you make coffee at home, and sometimes you buy coffee outside. Do you ever go to a coffee shop in the morning?
Yes, sometimes. Not every day, but some mornings I want coffee outside. It feels like a small treat, like I'm doing something nice for myself.
Same. Coffee shops smell good. They feel warm. And people are usually quiet.
People are quiet and serious. Everyone has a cup. Everyone looks like they have a plan. And I look like I just woke up. I walk in and I try to look normal, like, yes, I am awake. Yes, I have my life together. But inside, I'm still loading.
Still loading is such a mood. What do you order?
A latte. Coffee with milk. I say, "1 latte, please." And I try to speak clearly because in the morning, my mouth is also waking up. Sometimes I say it too soft. Then the barista says, "Sorry?" And I have to say it again. That second try is louder, and then I'm awake.
The barista is your alarm clock. I order simple coffee, sometimes cappuccino, but I keep it simple.
Do you do small talk with the barista?
A little. Good morning. Thank you. Sometimes it smells so good. That's it.
I don't do small talk in the morning. I point, I smile, I say coffee, and I hope my face looks friendly. Like, I'm not angry, I'm just sleepy.
That's honest. Coffee is universal. They always understand. Do you sit in the coffee shop or take it to go?
If I have time, I sit. If I don't, I take it to go. When I sit, I like to watch people. Morning faces are funny. Some people look happy, some look tired, some look angry. And everyone holds the cup like it's a shield.
A coffee shield. That's a great image. I like sitting by the window. I like the light, a slow feeling. Just a few minutes.
Yes, coffee shops make me calm. For a little time. Then I remember my day again. But it's still nice. It's like a small reset.
Exactly. A small reset can change your mood. Okay, after coffee, you get ready. Clothes, bag, keys. How does that part go for you?
Now I can move. I get dressed. T-shirt, jeans, sneakers. Morning is not fashion time. Morning is get ready time. Then I check my bag. Phone, wallet, keys, headphones. And I always forget something. Always.
What do you forget the most?
Headphones. Then I'm sad because music helps me. Or my charger. Or my lunch. Then at noon I say, "Oh no," and I have to buy food. My wallet cries.
Wallet cries. I prepare my bag the night before on many days. It makes mornings easier. I like a simple checklist in my head. Phone, keys, wallet, headphones.
Your checklist is strong. My checklist is hope. I hope I have everything. Sometimes I don't.
Do you check your phone again when you're getting ready?
Yes. Messages, time, and sometimes I scroll. It's not great, but it happens. I tell myself, 1 minute. Then I see a funny video. Then it's 5 minutes. Then I'm late.
That trap is so real. I try to keep my mornings quiet. I check the time and the weather. That's it.
Time is my enemy. Time is fast. I am slow. Bad match.
Time is a strict friend. It pushes you out the door. Do you check the weather?
I check the weather with the window. If the sky is gray, I take a jacket. If it looks rainy, I complain. If it's sunny, I feel better. Simple.
I check the weather because I like to plan. If it's rainy, umbrella. If it's cold, sweater. Small plans help me feel calm.
I want your planning energy, but my morning energy is low. So I do the minimum. Coffee, clothes, keys, go.
Minimum is fine. Minimum is realistic. Okay, leaving home. How do you go to work? Walk, bus, car?
It depends. Sometimes I walk. Fresh air helps. I listen to music. I don't rush. I arrive with less stress. Walking wakes me up.
I like walking too. Morning light feels gentle. The day feels new. And I like looking at small things. Trees, shops, people.
When I take the bus, I feel half awake at first, but then I'm fine. Everyone is quiet. It's like a morning club, the Sleepy People Club. People look outside, people hold coffee cups, and nobody talks too much. It's peaceful.
Yes. And when you arrive, how do you feel?
I feel okay. Not perfect, but okay. And I think, I did it. I am here. Then I want more coffee.
Consistent. Okay, quick question. Are weekend mornings different for you?
Oh yes, weekend mornings are slower. Weekend mornings are kinder. No alarm, no rush. I wake up, I stay in bed, and I don't feel guilty. I feel happy. I drink coffee slowly. Weekend coffee tastes better.
I agree. Weekend mornings feel softer. Sometimes I still wake up early because my body is used to it, but I don't rush. I take my time. I drink coffee slowly. I enjoy it.
Weekday coffee is like, go. Weekend coffee is like, stay.
That's a great line. Okay, Leo, can I ask you something a bit personal?
Sure.
Why are you always in a rush in the morning? I mean, sometimes you seem stressed before the day even starts.
Because I wake up and my brain says, go, go, go. Then I remember everything. Work, messages, plans, and I feel pressure. And when I feel pressure, I move faster and I make mistakes. Then I feel more pressure. It's a loop.
That makes sense. I'm calm in the morning, but not because I'm perfect. Some mornings I'm tired. Some mornings I'm stressed. I just try to keep it simple. Water, bathroom, coffee, quiet. If I can avoid rushing, I feel better.
I like that idea. Simple. Maybe I can slow down a little. Not a lot, just a little.
A little is perfect. You don't need a perfect morning. You need a morning that feels okay, something you can repeat.
Coffee is my small habit. Maybe I add one more small habit, like water, or no phone for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is possible. 10 minutes is not possible.
5 minutes is a great start. And you also need friends who don't talk at 7:31.
Exactly. Silence at 7:31 is love.
Deal. I will not talk at 7:31.
Thank you. Now I can be your friend forever.
Perfect. So that's our morning coffee talk. Simple routine, small moments, calm, and a little laughter.
Thank you for listening. If you feel sleepy in the morning, you are not alone. If you feel calm, that's great too. Make your coffee, take your time, and have a good day. And remember, coffee first.
Coffee first. See you in the next episode of the Build Your English podcast. Bye.
Bye. Coffee first.